Welcome! I'm so glad that you're here. So on Instagram, I saw a friend did this amazing, gorgeous, heart-shaped bun that was from a tutorial by Lady Igor, and her tutorial is perfection. So I'm going to link it in the description box because it is probably more worth watching than mine, but I am going to attempt to recreate it, even though I don't make Dutch braids nearly as perfect and smooth as hers. I am also terrible at parting. So let's see what happens. I'm going to try to make my part even here. Is that the center of my face? Maybe. I can use any kind of sharp-ish object here, like a tail of a comb. Oh boy. This does not feel particularly even. How does that look? Is it terrible? Well, we're gonna go with it. So I am going to make 2 Dutch braids and then I will be right back. Okay, I tried extra hard today and these are the neatest Dutch braids I've ever had in my life. This one was a little wonky at the start though. Alright, now for the next part. Gotta find a place in here to bring the braids through. Lady Igor says this is the hardest part, as you don't want to go too high or too low to keep that heart shape. And I think to help me, I'm actually going to try using a topsy tail, although she did not. So this braid is going to come up from the outside and go under this braid. And she says to take your time to find a good section to pull it under so you don't rip out any hairs. Excellent advice. Other side, try to keep this even. Now we're going to put both back down through the hole where the 2 braids are separated at the nape of the neck. And then do it again. Let's see, did she do the same tails or did she cross them over? I can't remember if we went this way or if we went this way. I'm going to try, I don't know. I'm going to try this way without crossing them over. So I'm going to go through the same hole here. Whoops, other way. And again, back down through the center. she was able to go around another time. I cannot. It could be cute actually just to leave the tails down, but I am going to pin them in, even though she also did not pin. So I'll find a spot to tuck, tuck, tuck. Tuck, tuck, tuck. Okay, there we go. So I hope that resembles a heart in some way. That was really fun. I like it. It's nice and flat. And I'm gonna wear this for the rest of the day. Let me take some pictures and see how it looks. One of these days I'm gonna get a mirror over here so I can see. Be sure to check the link in the description box to sign up for my weekly roundup newsletter. You're gonna get a few goodies like an exclusive hairstyle tutorial, a free printable, and the opportunity to purchase my ebook, Hair Oils and How to Use Them, at half price. So again, link is in the description box, and I look forward to seeing you next time.